You've probably heard the term ESG thrown around a lot, especially in boardrooms and investment meetings. But what does ESG really mean? And who decides what counts as good ESG practice? In today's video, we're breaking down the most popular ESG frameworks and standards. We'll cover what they are, how they're different, and why they matter to businesses and investors. Before we dive in, if you enjoy content that makes sustainability easy to understand, hit that like button. Subscribe to Genecapsule and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. Let's start with the basics. ESG stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. It's a set of criteria used to evaluate a company's operations and long-term sustainability. Environmental is how a company impacts the planet. Social is how it treats people. Governance is how it's run, including leadership, audits, and shareholder rights. ESG has become a major consideration in investment decisions, risk analysis, and corporate reputation. Here's the problem. There's no single global ESG rulebook. Instead, we have multiple frameworks and standards, each with their own focus areas. Some are about reporting, others about performance. This can make ESG feel confusing. Let's break them down. We'll cover the big names here: GRI, SASB, TCFD, ISSB, CDP, and UN SDGs. GRI focuses on sustainability impact and is popular for disclosing business activities. SASB focuses on financial materiality, tailored by industry, great for investors. TCFD focuses on climate risk and opportunity, endorsed by regulators worldwide. ISSB aims to unify global sustainability disclosures built on TCFD and SASB foundations. CDP focuses on environmental impact, especially carbon emissions, used by investors and governments. UN SDGs are not a framework but a guiding set of 17 global goals. Let's simplify it. Frameworks are what to report, standards are how to report it. Think of a framework as a recipe book and a standard as the actual cooking technique. Choosing the right framework depends on your industry, audience, goals, and regulatory requirements. A lot of companies now use a combination like reporting using the GRI framework and aligning with SASB standards. Investors use ESG disclosures to decide where to put their money. Governments are moving toward mandatory ESG reporting. Customers and employees care more about sustainability than ever. Companies with strong ESG practices don't just look good, they also perform better in the long run. Lower risk, better trust, and improved decision-making. Let's recap. ESG is more than a trend. It's becoming a core business need. No single framework rules them all yet. Choose the right fit for your industry and goals. Standards like SASB and TCFD help improve comparability and trust. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Genecapsule. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our updates. And hey, if your business needs help navigating ESG frameworks or building a disclosure strategy, ping us for ESG consulting. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.